welcome back again. So, something a little bit different. I'm in the back of that black Focus ST that's on my channel. You must have all seen that by now. I'm sure I'll do some clips of it on the way there. We're going to pick up our project car, the first one we're going to be doing. I'll do a reveal once we get it home, but we'll record some clips on the way. And yeah, let's go and get it, and let's start our new project. So we got it back last night. It's too tired to do anything with it, so I'm going to cut to the story short. This is my project. It's got a gasket gone, and it's a 2005 55 plate Fiesta Zetec S. So as you can see, it's had a bit of a mess there. So what we're going to do is today, just going to start batteries out, front end all going to come off. We're going to take all that off, get that all out of the way, and then we're going to hopefully pull the engine out with the gearbox all out here. So I'll time-lapse bits, I'll stop bits, but yeah, it's definitely seen better days, this one. But yeah, let's get cracking. I don't know what's happened here. Looks like someone's been like playing in the sand or something. Literally. It's got half a building site on here. So we made quite a bit of progress here. It's, we need to move it back because we need to get to that wheel on the front. But other than that, we're going to roll it back, get the wheels off. So obviously the drive shaft's going to have to come out of the gearbox. And I think the plan is to bring it all out as one there, but most of it's all off. The plugs, I've got some stuff to label the plugs, but most of them, they'll only go in certain sensors and everything. So yeah, it's not too bad. Luckily there was no gas in the aircon as well, so we've got all right there. But yeah, you can see at the top here, pretty gunky. But we are going to have the top off, and we are going to have a look and make a decision whether it gets repaired or whether we replace it. But yeah, we're getting there. So before anyone says anything, we've got the jump bit of wood, 2 big axle stands that are holding that up. There's all of us working at the minute. So we're going to whip the wheels out now, get the drive shafts out, all that sort of stuff. Yeah, we're looking alright. It's not too bad to do, to be honest with you. But yeah, I'm probably going to time-lapse most of it, but we're getting there very slowly. Do you know what? How much easier it would be with a little workshop somewhere to make, to do it. But that's what it's all about. This thing will be running, and if anything, this engine will be out by tomorrow. There's a few things that are a bit shoddy, but I won't go into too much detail. But yeah, we're getting it. It's actually not a bad car to work on. Oh, would you agree? Yeah? Not a bad car to work on, so we're cracking through. I'm going to put this all back in here so we can at least roll it, put the wheels back on. But yeah, fingers crossed it'll be out soon. So I will quickly show you. If you look here, then you can see it. You can zoom. You see where someone's put here? That's how it was. So yeah, we're gonna have to get some sort of manifold for it. Maybe we'll get a little sports manifold or something for it. So got both drive shafts out. Just sorting the power steering now. Gearbox is drained. Just drained it from the reverse light switch. We're about ready to pull it out, I think. We're not far off, so I'll keep it on time lapse, and then we'll pull it out. I'll put it on video. Right, so we're going to pull it out. I'm going to leave you on. Hopefully my phone doesn't die, but we shall see. Do you want to use that jack? Before anyone says you should use an engine jack, engine crane, I ain't got one, so we're doing it this way. Huh? Here. Oh, that's it. Where's my 18 one? Got it. Right, let's pull it out.
Jack down slowly, very slightly, very slightly, a little bit each, a little bit slightly down. Slowly. Make it very, now you put it on it very slowly yours. Go back over there. Got it. Right, now slowly.
What, me?
Yeah. Now back up.
Can we let mine down a little bit?
No, it's because fucking
Go up.
start over there. Let down a little bit.
Hang on.
Let down. Slowly yours.
Where are you planning on putting this? Mine's still on it, alright.
Yeah. Right. It's going down. Make do with that. Make off. It's going down.
Yeah, mine's up.
Down?
No, make jack. Yeah, down yours a little bit. Got it. That's it. Where's the screwdriver?
Yeah.
No, no.
That.
Right, meals. Right, make sure. You're gonna have to jack yours a bit. Down.
Are you going?
Yeah.
Someone start.
Start.
Soft angles now.
Was it?
Yeah, that block of wood's going to fall out. No, that block of wood's going to fall out.
You bigger block of wood.
Keep going.
Yours, yeah.
Soft more button.
Keep going back. Got it. Right, now down. Let yours down a little bit.
Yeah.
No more.
Yeah.
Right. Yours down a little bit.
This sounds slightly
There you go. These two, look at these two, look. Megan's hiding behind Sean. Yeah, it's out. As you can see, some absolute sausage. Just don't know what I've done to that exhaust, but we're out. So I think tomorrow, we're going to have a tidy up now. And then tomorrow we'll maybe have a look at the engine and see if we can find actually what is wrong with it. I'm hoping, I don't know, maybe water pump, I don't know. Whether it's water pump's collapsed, I'm not sure, but it's out. And yeah, absolutely smashed it. So this is where I'm going to end that video right there. I hope you've enjoyed it. Obviously there's quite a bit of time lapsing in it, but with the engines out, it actually weren't that bad to do. Yeah, tomorrow I'm going to take the cam belt cover off. We'll have a look at the water pump, we'll have a look at everything, take the rocker off and see if we can see anything obvious. Maybe it is head gasket, I'm not sure. It's looking like it is with the amount of rubbish that's in the top of it, but yeah, I hope you've enjoyed the video. There's loads of content I've done lately, so I hope you're still enjoying it all. And if you haven't already, if you can click that little subscribe button there, helps towards the channel and helps us being able to do things like this. So yeah, hope you're all keeping well, and I hope to catch you all in the next video.